So, you're thinking about a trip to Honolulu, but your wallet's a little nervous? Yeah, I get it. This place is paradise, but it's got a reputation for being pricey. But what if I told you that you can have an absolutely epic time here without breaking the bank? What if some of the best experiences in Honolulu were practically free? Today, I'm going to show you 15 amazing and affordable things to do in Honolulu that will make your trip one to remember. We've got everything from incredible hikes and free cultural shows to the coolest local spots. So get ready to take some notes, because you won't want to forget these. Let's get into it. Number 1. Beach Day at Waikiki or Ala Moana. Alright, first on the list is the most iconic, can't miss Honolulu experience, and the best part? It costs absolutely nothing. I'm talking about a classic beach day. You have to spend some time on the world-famous Waikiki beach. Sure, it's popular, but for a really good reason. The sand is golden, the water is that perfect turquoise color, and the people watching is top tier. You can seriously spend a whole day here swimming, sunbathing, and just soaking in the amazing atmosphere. If you want a bit more of a local vibe, just head over to Ala Moana Beach Park. It's super close to Waikiki, but it's got a calmer, more relaxed feel with a long stretch of sand and plenty of shady trees for a picnic. The water here is usually much gentler because it's protected by a reef, which makes it perfect for a casual swim. For $0, you get $1 million experience. Number 2. Hike Diamond Head Crater. You just can't come to Honolulu and not see this icon. Diamond Head, or Leahi in Hawaiian, is that volcanic crater you see framing the entire city skyline. For a super small entrance fee, you get one of the most rewarding hikes on the island. As of 2025, it's only $5 per person if you walk in. It's a moderate trail, mostly paved, but it has some pretty serious stairs near the end that will get your legs burning. The hike itself is an adventure, winding through dark tunnels and up old military bunkers. But the payoff at the top? It's just an incredible, 360-degree panoramic view of Waikiki, the Pacific Ocean, and the Green Mountains. Now, here's my pro tip, and listen up, this is important. You have to book a reservation online beforehand, as they are required for all non-residents. Try to go early in the morning to beat the heat and the crowds. Trust me, this view is worth every single step. Number 3. The Manoa Falls Hike. Ready to swap the beach for a real-deal rainforest? Then you need to check out the Manoa Falls Trail. This is your chance to feel like you've stepped into another world, and it's just a quick drive from downtown Honolulu. The trail itself is free to hike, but just a heads up, you'll probably have to pay for parking, which is about $7 per car. The hike is about 1.6 miles round trip, and it takes you through this unbelievably lush, green jungle that honestly feels prehistoric. You're surrounded by giant ferns, massive banyan trees, and the sounds of tropical birds. The path leads straight to the main event, Manoa Falls, a gorgeous 150-foot waterfall flowing down a rock face. Now, you can't swim in the pool at the bottom for safety reasons, but just being in the presence of this waterfall is a magical experience. Make sure you wear sturdy shoes because it can get muddy, and you'll definitely want your camera for this one. Number 4. Makapuu Point Lighthouse Trail. If you want what I think are the best coastal views on the entire island, you have to go to the Makapuu Point Lighthouse Trail. This one is totally free to access and is a personal favorite of mine. It's a paved trail, so it's more of an uphill walk than a rugged hike, but it will definitely get your heart pumping. With every step you take, the views just get better and better. You'll see the stunning windward coastline, the incredible blue water crashing against the black lava rock cliffs, and the iconic red-roofed lighthouse on the point. On a clear day, you can even see the islands of Molokai and Lanai in the distance. And get this! During the winter months, from December to April, this is one of the best spots on the island to watch for whales right from the shore. It's an unforgettable experience that costs you nothing. Number 5. Friday Night Fireworks in Waikiki. Looking for a perfect, spectacular way to end your week? Every single Friday night, the sky above Waikiki explodes with an amazing fireworks display, put on by the Hilton Hawaiian Village. The show usually starts around 7:45 p.m., and it's totally free for anyone to watch. My favorite way to watch is to just grab a towel, find a spot on the sand at Duke Kahanamoku Beach, and look up. The fireworks reflect over the ocean, and the whole atmosphere is just electric with excitement. It's a tradition for locals and visitors alike, and it's just the perfect, budget-friendly way to kick off a weekend in paradise. Number 6. Experience authentic hula shows. You can't leave Hawaii without seeing a real hula performance. And guess what? You don't have to shell out for an expensive luau to see an authentic one. There are amazing, free hula shows you can catch. The Kuhio Beach Hula Show is a beautiful open-air performance near the Duke Kahanamoku statue in Waikiki that happens on certain evenings as the sun sets. There's also the Kilahana Hula Show on weekday mornings that features some truly world-class dancers. Also, a lot of the big shopping centers, like the Royal Hawaiian Center and Ala Moana Center, host free performances all week long. Just check their websites for the schedules. It's a beautiful, moving, and completely free way to connect with the amazing culture of Hawaii. Number 7. Explore the streets of Chinatown. Ready for a complete sensory overload in the best way possible? Spend an afternoon wandering through Honolulu's Chinatown. It's one of the oldest in the United States, and it's just this vibrant, bustling neighborhood that is packed with history and culture. It costs nothing to just walk around and soak it all in. You'll find colorful markets full of exotic fruits, shops selling traditional herbs, and incredible historic buildings. As you walk around, you'll smell the amazing food coming from all the noodle shops and bakeries. And lately, it's also become this awesome hub for art, with cool galleries and incredible street art murals hidden in the alleys. It's a really fascinating part of the city that feels like a whole different world from Waikiki. Number 8. Visit free museums. That's right, you can get a dose of art and history without spending a single dime. The Hawaii State Art Museum, which is in this gorgeous Spanish mission-style building downtown, has totally free admission. It showcases the work of modern Hawaiian artists and is just a fantastic place to wander around for an afternoon. And if you're a history buff, the United States Army Museum of Hawaii is a must-see. It's right in Fort DeRussy Park in Waikiki, and admission is also free, though they do appreciate donations. It's in a former coastal artillery battery and has fascinating exhibits on Hawaii's military history, all the way from ancient Hawaiian warfare to the Vietnam War. It's an incredible resource that's open to everyone. Alright, we're more than halfway through. If you're getting some good ideas from this and already mentally packing your bags, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next travel guide. It really helps the channel and lets me know you want more content just like this. Okay, now let's get back to the amazing, affordable things to do in Honolulu. Number 9. Stroll down Kalakaua Avenue. You know, sometimes the best activity is just soaking up the energy of a place, and Kalakaua Avenue is the beating heart of Waikiki. In the evening, this main street just comes alive. It's completely free to take a walk and just enjoy the show. You'll see all kinds of street performers, musicians, and artists along the sidewalks. The shops are all lit up, the restaurants are buzzing, and the air is just filled with the sounds of the city mixed with the ocean. It's the perfect place for a stroll after dinner. You can window shop, listen to some music, and just feel the pulse of Honolulu. It's one of those simple pleasures that really captures the excitement of being here. Number 10. Take a free cultural class. Want to do more than just watch? How about learning a traditional Hawaiian craft yourself, for free? The Royal Hawaiian Center offers complimentary classes every single day. You can try things like lei making, lahala weaving, or even take a beginner's hula or ukulele lesson. The teachers are so patient and you can tell they love what they do, and it's a really fun, hands-on way to engage with the culture. And you actually get to walk away with something you made, like your very own flower lei. Just be sure to check their website for the daily schedule and maybe show up a little early, because the classes are popular and can fill up fast. Number 11. Find peace at Foster Botanical Garden. Need a little break from all the excitement? There's this peaceful oasis right in the heart of downtown Honolulu. Foster Botanical Garden is the oldest of the city's botanical gardens, and it's home to some of the most incredible and ancient trees on the island. For visitors, the entrance fee is just $5, which is an amazing deal for how beautiful and peaceful it is inside. You can wander through collections of rare palms, orchids, and other tropical plants. There's even a prehistoric glen with plants that look like they belong in the age of dinosaurs. It's a truly peaceful escape that feels like a secret garden in the city. Number 12. Admire the Kaka'ako street art. Art lovers, this one's for you. You have to go check out the Kaka'ako neighborhood. This area used to be all industrial, but it's been transformed into a massive outdoor art gallery. It's famous for its huge, colorful murals painted by artists from Hawaii and all over the world. You can spend hours just walking through the streets, discovering a new masterpiece around every single corner. The art is always changing as new murals are painted, so there's always something new to see. It's totally free, super inspiring, and one of the most Instagrammable spots in all of Honolulu. Don't miss Salt at Kaka'ako, a cool shopping center right in the middle of all the amazing art. Number 13. Drive to the Tantalus Lookout. Want another incredible view of Honolulu, but from a totally different angle? Take a drive up to the Tantalus Lookout in Pu'u'ulaka'a State Park. It's completely free to get into the park, and the scenic drive up the winding road is an experience all by itself. From the top, you get this sweeping view that stretches from Diamond Head all the way out to Pearl Harbor. It's especially beautiful around sunset when you can watch the city lights start to sparkle down below. It's a total local spot to just chill out and take in the view. Pack a few snacks, find a spot on the grass, and just enjoy the incredible scenery. Number 14. Discover the Biodo Inn Temple. Tucked away in the Valley of the Temples on the windward side of the island is this place of incredible peace, the Biodo Inn Temple. Now, this isn't a practicing temple, but a stunning, smaller-scale replica of a nearly 1,000-year-old temple in Japan. It was built to celebrate the 100-year anniversary of the first Japanese immigrants to Hawaii. The entrance fee is only about $5 per person. The second you step onto the grounds, you see the stunning red temple set against the dramatic, jagged cliffs of the Ko'olau Mountains. You can ring the giant sacred peace bell, watch the huge koi fish swimming in the pond, and just soak in the peaceful vibe. It is absolutely worth the small fee and the beautiful drive to get there. Number 15. Wander the Leone Arboretum. And for our final spot, we've got another natural gem. Right near Manoa Falls is the Leone Arboretum, which is a 200-acre botanical garden run by the University of Hawaii. Admission is free, but they do suggest a donation to help them with their conservation work, which is awesome. This place is like a living library of thousands of tropical plants. It has over 7 miles of hiking trails that take you through different themed gardens, including a native Hawaiian garden. It's a place for research, but it's also just an incredibly beautiful and peaceful place to explore. It's the perfect way to just get lost for a few hours in the incredible biodiversity of Hawaii. So there you have it. 15 incredible, beautiful, and unforgettable things to do in Honolulu that prove you don't need a massive budget to enjoy this slice of paradise. From the free spectacle of nature on the trails and beaches to the cheap entry into a world of culture and history, Honolulu is so much more accessible than you might think. This city is just packed with these amazing experiences waiting for you, and honestly, the best ones are often the ones that connect you to the island's natural beauty and its rich heritage. What do you think? Did I miss any of your favorite budget-friendly spots in Honolulu? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your tips and suggestions. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides. Until the next adventure, aloha and happy travels.